The Matt and Laddle team is here today, Harrington Road, Chetpet, bang opposite to Madras Christian College, Kailash Parvat on the first floor. Even before you could enter, this place will give you strong Mumbai and Bollywood vibes. Beautiful art on the wall right before the entrance speaks so much about Mumbai. Hello friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today's vlog is exclusively for a food review. I have been uploading many kinds of vlogs and the most loved vlogs on my channel are those where I give food reviews of different restaurants and places in Chennai. So today is Sunday. I am here with my family for a brunch, Sunday brunch. And I thought, why not make a review on Kailash Parvat, the Chetpet branch. I will share with you what am I eating, what have we ordered and how was my experience, etc. So let's get started with the video. Loved the ambience with such vibrant interiors and ample sitting arrangements, and they also have a banquet hall on the second floor. This is their PDR, which is a private dining room, and this can accommodate close to 12 members. Apt for smaller gathering or teenagers' birthday parties.
And हम यहाँ बैठने वाले थे so that it's easy for me to shoot, but यहाँ की booking है, which is why we are sitting here.
वर्जिन मोहितो नो ब्लू लगन नहीं चाहिए देसी खाला कट्टा और वर्जिन मोहितो लेंगे. Having a conversation with Mr. Anil, he looks after the operations and I was passing on my wishes to him and the entire team for the new branch which is coming up in Amsterdam. Mr. Anil is such a humble person, so down to earth, and his passion for work is so evident. This is what we've ordered. This is Kala Khatta, this is Virgin Mojito, and this is our Pani Puri. I'm drooling looking at it, and this is the Tikha Pani, and this is the Meaty Chutney. I'm starting the Pani Puri.
I'll give you a
and I love their Pani Puris.
There it goes.
I love their Pani Puri. I'm going to order my favorite stuff here and I will give you a review. Now in this Pani Puri, all of us personally fill the puri with a lot of masala. So if you are someone who needs extra masala, they can ask for it. We personally love our puris filled with stuffed with the masala, aloo masala, and then we pour in the chutney and the water. But otherwise it's very tasty. And now I'm going to taste this. This is Kala Khatta, na? नहीं ये क्या था काला खट्टा?
देसी काला खट्टा.
वो गोले का टेस्ट आ रहा है.
What is this again, Mama?
This is Virgin Mojito.
Huh.
And this is desi kala khatta.
Which one do you like personally?
I'm not able to decide.
Uh-huh.
I'm not able to decide कौन सा better है. When I'm sipping this, I feel this is better than that, and when I'm sipping this, I feel this is better than this.
Okay, now the audience wants to know which is better.
I think someone else should ask before
Yes.
which is better.
Let's see.
And meanwhile, let's see my
The yum
vada pav, the yummy looking vada pavs. And look at the way they serve. I
know.
love their plating. Their plating is lovely. Me being a food blogger, I click pictures and post them on Instagram. So for me, plating matters a lot because I believe that a man first eats with his eyes. So plating बहुत important है, and I love their plating. So I'm going to straight away dig into this yummy looking vada pav.
चिली के बिना तो खाना पूरा ही नहीं होता. Acha, what about the drinks? Coming back to the drinks, which is better, Papa?
I like this one.
The mojito better.
So, yeah.
Nice.
Actually, वेज के अलावा क्या अच्छा
और कोफ्ता
रहेगा?
भी है, कोफ्ता है इस बार येलो ग्रेवी में रहेगा मीडियम स्पाइसी।
अच्छा,
यस।
और ये भिंडी मिर्च मसाला,
वो ड्राई सब्जी है मैम, थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहेगा रेड वाला।
हाँ तो वो ट्राई करते हैं।
ये अच्छा है मैम।
तो भिंडी मिर्च मसाला, दाल तड़का, क्योंकि पनीर तो हमेशा ही खाते हैं, हर जगह जाके पनीर ही खाते हैं। दाल में ना अच्छा तड़का, जैसे इसमें फोटो में डाला
डबल तड़का करके।
हाँ हाँ,
तड़का और गार्लिक एक्स्ट्रा।
खूब सारा गार्लिक डाल देना और अच्छा तड़का अच्छा रहना चाहिए।
ओके।
So I'm going to add in some chili flakes, some oregano, very cheesy. This cheese toast is a very kids friendly dish, not spicy at all. It's more like a bread pizza with a lot of bell peppers and cheese. I'm sure kids are going to love this. So this is a kid friendly dish. Do try it if you come here with kids. Look at this platter, guys. Basically this is for 4 bhaturas. They serve a chola bhatura platter which is with 4 bhaturas, but since we will not be able to eat so much, I told them give me 2. So the 4 bhaturas have variations. It has paneer bhatura, it has kasuri methi, it has plain bhatura and a masala bhatura. I did not order the entire platter, but I will put a picture here for you to have a look. Because we cannot eat so much, so I didn't order the whole platter, but I told them I don't want the regular bhatura because that we keep making at home and we eat anyways. So I told them out of the platter you give me the kasuri methi bhatura and the paneer bhatura. So this has paneer filling in it. I will break and show you. See, you can see, oh god, it's piping hot. So this is the paneer filling and this is the kasuri methi. And in this cute little balti they have their chole with a lot of onions and mirchi, and I'm going to taste this now. I just tasted the kasuri methi one. This has a very strong kasuri methi flavor, and I'm going to try the paneer one. You can see a lot of paneer stuffing inside with some chole, with लच्छा प्याज, So about the chole bhature, texture wise both are very different. The kasuri methi one has salt, kasuri methi and turmeric powder which gives that yellow color to it, and it is more crispy, whereas the paneer one is soft in texture. There are masalas added into the paneer which gives it which makes it very flavorful. So both are very different and both are very yummy. Especially don't forget to have the mirchis. Whenever you come, ask them to give these mirchis. It will taste yummy with the mirchis and the lacha paratha, lacha onions, sorry. भिंडी मसाला ना, भिंडी मिर्च मसाला, ये है दाल तड़का,
मसाला कुलचा,
गार्लिक,
कुरकुरे भिंडी फ्राई में।
ओह वाह, ये तो हमने मंगाया ही नहीं।
ये सब वो सर की तरफ से दिया।
ओह हाउ स्वीट।
The kulcha, the paneer, and the dal. And my mommy. कुछ बोलो।
The dal, ultimate. Simple flavors, simple basic घर की dal. I think it's mixed dal, tur and moong dal. Mix of that. Very very simple flavors. No extra garam masala added or anything. I love the dal. It's just like घर की dal. And the bhindi is completely different. I don't think I've tried this bhindi anywhere in Chennai. I mean the okra. Because it has the chili which is used in mirchi vada. They've added that chili in the bhindi, which is giving a very different flavor. And the bhindi is fried initially and then added into a gravy, which is giving it a good texture. It's not very mushy because it's fried earlier and then added into gravy. And they've added a lot of garlic, onions to add a lot of flavor and taste to the bhindi, which is good. I like that chili, that mirchi vada wali chili that they've added. That is giving a very very different flavor. I've never tried this. I've never seen this dish anywhere in Chennai. I liked it. I think I will definitely replicate this dish at home. The kurkuri bhindi, in every term it is kurkuri, super crispy with perfect masalas. Thoda sa I feel salt is slightly on the higher side, which is fine because if you eat it with the mayonnaise it is perfectly fine, but if you eat it just like that without sauce or without mayonnaise, you might find salt on the higher side, very little on the higher side, but otherwise it's very crispy, very tasty, and we are loving this. So done with my meal here. It was a delicious meal. We had a lovely time, and I don't think we are having any dessert because we are so full. Baki, let's see if the children are willing to. I will show you if we order any dessert. So yeah, that's it. And yes friends, a message that I would like to give you all through this video is Kailash Parvat is a lot beyond chaat items. Yes, I don't deny the fact that this is one of the best places in Chennai to have chaat items. Undoubtedly, yes, I love all their chaat items too. But even other than that, whether it is tandoori or other things, tandoori stuff are also very very good. The masala kulcha, the garlic naan, the dal sabzi that we tried were also finger licking, especially the dal. I mean, that is something that I would highly recommend if you come to Kailash Parvat here or any other branch, especially this Chetpet branch. Do try their double tadka wali dal. I'm sure you're going to come back and thank me for that. You will love it as much as I did. We decided not to have dessert as there was no room for dessert, but still we tried this. This is their signature dish, and this is kulfi faluda. And oh my god, believe me friends, it was yummy to the core. And with the pista ice cream, faluda and kulfi, it all came together so well and so delicious. I'm drooling even while talking about this now. That's it friends. With this vlog comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if so, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do visit Kailash Parvat, the Chetpet branch. And if you try my recommendations, do let me know your feedback. Share your pictures with me on Instagram via Instagram DM, and I will feature you on my stories. Yeah, Matt and Laddle is my account. Follow me there and have a chance to chit chat with me. And yes friends, do like, share and subscribe, and keep following me, keep supporting me in this new journey of Matt and Laddle. See you again in a new video on a new day. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता।